Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail account into HubSpot so you can not only track all your emails being sent out to people, but also have it automatically logged. All right, so first up, we need to connect your Gmail account to HubSpot. So when you're logged in, head over to Settings, then over to Email, and then Connect Personal Email. So this will take you through some prompts. I usually recommend to turn on inbox automation. Chuck in your email. So from here, it'll figure out that it's a Gmail account, and then it'll just prompt you to go over to Google to finish the connection. Once you've got that all ready, it should show you in here that it's enabled and all connected. Now that you've got it connected, it will allow you in HubSpot to send emails directly to contacts, and it'll be sent from your Gmail account. But this is only sending outwards. What if they reply? I want to make sure that it's all being logged, and I can also see when they're opening it and when they're clicking on links in my emails. The next part here is that you actually install an extension for Gmail. It's called HubSpot Sales. We use Chrome here, so if you go over to the Chrome Web Store, you can just look up HubSpot Sales and then just add it on as an extension. And once that's all set up, it'll take you over to your Gmail. You'll have a new little HubSpot icon in here, and just make sure that it's green and it shows that it's connected. Now from here, this will actually give you a lot more usability directly within your Gmail account. So for example, if I go and compose an email, I've now got this bar in here that gives me access to any email templates that are stored in HubSpot, any meeting links I've got, and I can just plug it directly into an email. I can also use any snippets or even enroll them into sequences. And I can also put links to documents stored in HubSpot as well. But the great thing with this is that I can also choose whether I log it or not log it. So normally the default is that it will log. So let's do a test at test.com. Now here, I've got it as automatically logging, so that will actually log what emails I send to this customer in HubSpot. And if they reply, it will also log in HubSpot as well. And I also have it checked off to track. So an example of what this looks like in your HubSpot account is when you go over to a contact and see the emails that are logged, you can actually see here that you have opens and clicks. So you can see how many times they've opened the email, and if they've clicked on any links, if there are links on your email, you can actually see how many clicks have happened as well. So this is really good, especially in sales, because if you're seeing that somebody is interacting and engaging with an email, it can give you another reason to give them a call and follow up. But if they haven't looked at it or clicked on any links, you know that they're not yet ready to discuss the next steps. Let us know if you want us to cover how this is done for Outlook accounts as well in the comments below. But other than that, happy HubSpotting.